then integrate eco-entrepreneurship into polytechnic curriculum and CWES program. The question comes, what will be the outcome of this initiative when implemented? There are four major things that we tend to achieve when this is implemented. One is it will reduce plastic footprint on campus and nearby communities. Plastic waste will go down within the community, the campus, and then within the neighboring communities. Again, it will bring about youth-led sustainable businesses. By the time we integrate youth into this, there will be great initiatives coming from among the youth. And again, the third one is that it will be a contribution to circular economy and policy. And finally, this initiative will position Federal Polytechnic Nekede as a national eco-innovation leader, among others. Someone may ask, is Federal Polytechnic Nekede well positioned, well set to establish such an idea? The answer is yes. And I have an acronym that I will use to clear everyone that we can actually achieve such an idea and make it working. What is that? I call it SPLAP. That is SPLAP. Don't ask me the meaning of SPLAP because it's an acronym I want to use to explain some points. We can call it SPLAP Creed. Creed is what we know in terms of faith. So SPLAP Creed, I want to use it to explain how suitable Federal Polytechnic is to carry out such a project. The first S there, the S there means that Federal Polytechnic already has strong technical and vocational orientation. As a polytechnic, we have strong technical and vocational orientation. That's our foundation as a school, as an institution. The PDR means proximity to urban and rural plastic waste sources. We can actually access plastic waste from different locations. In fact, I see Federal Polytechnic position, I missed in the middle of the 5 states of the southeast. So even villages are surrounding Federal Polytechnic. So to generate plastic waste is not a challenge. Again, we have the LODR, large student population for pilot initiative. If we want to carry out this initiative, the students are there. All we just need to do is to engage them and we see it running. Also, we have academic staff who are capable of interdisciplinary research and development. And finally, here under SPLAP, we have potential for public-private partnership in Imo State. And let's talk about the creed part of this convention. What do we mean by the creed? The CDR is the council. Fortunately for us at the moment, we have one of the business groups well known in Nigeria as our council chairman. And he had his team of innovative men and women who formed the council, governing council of Federal Polytechnic Nekede. and with seasoned entrepreneurs like a former Minister of State for Science and Technology and Innovation. I believe that the chairman has championed capacity building, industrial development, and public-private partnership in the past. To do it in Federal Polytechnic will just be like a revision class for him. So all we just need to do is to come up with the idea and we see it running. Again, the idea among the three is the rector. By the grace of God, we have a very welcoming mother as a rector. In fact, permit me to call her Mr. Rector. Why? Because she is a woman that achieves what men achieve and what some men cannot achieve. So our mother is always ready to welcome innovations. A lot of changes have taken place in her short period of leadership, and we are all enjoying it. I believe she will be very much welcoming when we approach her with such an eco-friendly innovation. The next one among the creed is the executive officers. I have mentioned the rector. We know we have the deputy rectors, Dr. Chris Onyemelonu, Dr. Uzoma Friday Ibaja. We also have the registrar, Mr. Stanley Joko, Ugochi, a man who we know is standing for excellence. And then we have the bossa, our mother, Mrs. Ojuko, and then the ever innovative librarian, Dr. Charles Obiche. These men, I call them a cohesive leadership team. They
Mr. Paul,
embody.
can you summarize? Sorry
Okay.
to cut you short. Can you summarize, please? Thank you.
Thank you so much. So we have what it takes as a body to achieve what I call the poly green nexus. Thank you, Ma, for the call up.
All right. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
I want to say a big thank you to everyone. And I want to assure us that plastic pollution demands urgent, innovative responses. And then the solution will lie in eco-innovation and green entrepreneurship. Federal Polytechnic can also lead the way because we lead while others follow if they can.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Paul. That was quite insightful. Thank you so much, most especially for the call to action. The Directorate, I promise you that the Directorate will take it further from that. We'll meet with you and then get some of these action plans and see how we can take it to the next stage. So we really, really appreciate you. Thank you for your time, and then we'll promise to take it further from there. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right.
Please, I have the slides. If I can share, I don't know how to get it.
Well, you give us a soft copy, we'll be able to work with that. Yes. Unfortunately, you were not able to share it during your presentation. So you give us a soft copy, and then. All right. Thank you so much. So you can stop sharing your screen now while the next speaker that will be talking to us today is our own Dr. Mrs. Chinwe Ugochi Okpoechi. She will be speaking to us, and I'll read a little citation about her. This is an abridged version of her profile. Dr. Mrs. Chinwe Ugochi Okpoechi holds a bachelor's degree in architecture and an MSc from Imo State University. She also has from Imo State University or Kigwe. All right. She also holds an MS from Heriot-Watt University, Edinburgh, UK, and a PhD in architecture, which she got in the year 2020.